Welcome to Mathematics Virtual Class. We are studying mathematics in video lesson. Today's topic is mensuration. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics concerned with the measurements of the geometrical shapes, geometrical figures such as rectangles, squares, triangles. Not only these geometrical shapes such as cylinders. So their perimeter, their length, breadth, volume, area, surface area and lateral surface area. So all these are concerned with the branch of mathematics, that is mensuration. So in this topic we will study the meaning and the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of a square, area of rectangle, area of square and perimeter and areas of triangles that are equilateral or scaling or all the types of triangles and totally closed figures. Closed figures may be regular or irregular. When we say regular, that figure must have the definite length and definite portion of length and breadth. They must have equal length and equal breadth. Such figures are enclosed figures and regular. Irregular, they don't have any definite measurements. They are having irregular measurements, irregular lengths and breadths. So let us study one by one. The perimeter of rectangle we studied in the lower classes. The formula: perimeter of rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Why 2 into bracket? Because two sides are parallel and equal in rectangle and two breadths, two lengths. So we can write it as 2 into bracket L plus breadth. The same way, perimeter of a square is 4 into sides. Why 4? Because all the sides are equal in the length of all the sides are equal in the square. Perimeter of a triangle is 3 into length of a side in an equilateral triangle. And in other triangles, length of all the sum of all the lengths. Then what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the measurement of the boundary of an enclosed figure, enclosed shape. Sum of all the boundaries that forms the closed figure. And area is the amount of surface. Suppose this book or this object, it needs this much volume to keep on the flat surface. The amount of surface enclosed by an object. The measurement of surface of the enclosed figure is said to be area. So this is called perimeter, the measurement of the boundary. And area is the surface, amount of surface is area. So let us study one by one in this lesson. Let's solve one problem based on this. The perimeter of a park. Meera went to a park 150 meter long and 80 meter wide. She took one complete round on its boundary. What is the distance covered by her? So what is given here? We have to write the quantities given in the problem sum. What is given? The length of the park is 150 meter and width of the park is 80 meter. So the distance covered by Meera, one complete round means perimeter of the park. So the distance covered by Meera is equal to park. The perimeter of the park is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So let us calculate 2 into bracket length is 150 plus breadth is 80 is equal to 2 into bracket 150 plus 80 is 230 is equal to 2. We have to multiply the 230 by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 460 meters. So the total distance covered by Meera in marking one boundary, one complete boundary by Meera is 460 meters. We have to express. If it is given in centimeter, we have to write centimeter. And it is given meter, we have to write in the perimeter in meters. So let us solve one by one in the page number 75. From the page number 75. Find the perimeter of the following figures. A. So they have given perimeter AB is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to, we have to write those measurements here and do the sum, the total measurement. Find the perimeter of the following from the page number 75. From the question number 4, A. This is a rectangle ABCD. So let's find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter is the sum of all. It is simply the sum of all the sides, length of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus CD and DA. So let us write the measurements. AB is 40 plus 10 plus 40 plus 10 gives you 100 centimeter. The perimeter of the given rectangle is 100 centimeter. So like this, we have the figures, rectangles, squares and all those. It is nothing but simply the sum of all the lengths of the sides of a given figure. We have formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. Here two sides are equal. So we can write 2 into bracket length plus breadth. It is same as the sum of all the sides. So let us find out the perimeter of a square. Question number B. Find the perimeter of the given square. This is the square. It has all the four sides equal, of equal length. The perimeter of the square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DD. Simply it is the sum of all the lengths of the sides. So let us write the measurements. 5. All the sides are equal. 5 plus 5 is 5 plus 5. So sum is 20 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of the given square. Here we have from the question number C. We can calculate very easily. Only we can do the sum of all the sides. It is also a closed figure. It has different lengths and breadths. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DE, EF, FG, HG, IJ, JK, KL and LA. So all these sums will give you the perimeter. In the same way, another enclosed figure. It is also a closed figure. The perimeter of this is, you can calculate by doing the sum of all these sides, AB plus BC plus CD plus ED plus F plus E. So calculate and write the perimeter. So what is perimeter? We can only find out the perimeter of any closed figure made up of entirely of line segments. These are nothing but the sides are the line segments, and simply find the sum of all the lengths of all the sides, which are line segments. So you also do this in your mathematics notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.